How to get Shopify domain. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. Then click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. And here you want to scroll down to domains and click on it. And basically here you will have three options. You can buy a new domain. For example, here let me choose domain name. Say for example this one, and you can buy it directly from this page right here by clicking on the buy button of the selected domain and then continue the payment process and stuff like that, as you can see right here. The second option you have is you can connect an existing domain. As you can see right here, you enter your existing domain, for example this one, and then you click on next and then continue the process. Or thirdly, you can change to a new shopify.com domain. As you can see here, you enter your domain name, which will be free in this case, and it will check whether it's available or not. And once it's available, you can click on the add domain and it will be changed. But remember, you can only do this once, as it's stated right here. There is no cost to make this change. So it's free, but you can only do it once. So go ahead and choose whichever option you want, whether you want to buy domain from a secure third party like Google Domains or GoDaddy, etc. Or you can connect an existing domain that you already have, or you can change for a free one from the Shopify store for free. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get a domain for Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.